Hello to all of you. Today my topic is International System of Units. That means for measurement there are some standard units which are known as International System of Units, which we are used for measuring any substance. Okay, and these 7 basic units are, now the 7 basic units are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity, and their symbols are, that means they are denoted by small l, mass with small m, time with small t, electric current I, capital I, temperature with capital T, and time with small t. Must remember this. Amount of substance small n, luminous intensity IB. Okay, these are the symbols and name of 7 basic units or 7 standard units. Now standard units for these physical quantities are, for length we use meter, that means small m. For mass we use kilogram. For time we use second, and for second the symbol is small s, not SCC, small s. For current, unit of current is ampere. Temperature, for temperature standard unit is not degree Celsius, it is Kelvin, denoted by K. Okay, next is amount of substance, symbol is N. Unit for this physical quantity is mole, and notation for mole is MOL. Okay, symbol for this unit is MOL, not MOLE. And for luminous intensity, unit is candela and symbol is CD. So these are the 7 basic physical quantity with their basic units, that means SI units or international standards of units. These are the standard units, and with the help of these standard units we can easily calculate some derived units, easily calculated derived units. For example, volume, area, etc. Volume, what is the formula of volume? Length into breadth into height for n cuboid. So length, breadth or height all are the example of length. Okay, they all are considered in the form of length. Okay, so we can use here meter into meter to meter, that means unit for volume is meter cube or centimeter cube. Okay, next area is length into breadth, we can use here meter into meter, that means meter square or centimeter square, and so on. Okay, next is we can also calculate density. What is density? Density is mass by volume. This is also a derived unit where mass is in kilogram and volume is in meter cube. So density की यूनिट क्या होगी? किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब, kilogram m-3. Okay, so these are the standard units, and with the help of these 7 standard units we can find out any physical quantity or any units for the physical quantity. All these are known as derived units. Now to find out all the measurements in a easier form, we have metric system. Okay, in ancient time we also use foot, inches and all these units, pounds. Okay, but in case of the measurements or calculation, we must require any system which is easily rememberable, which is convenient is using. Okay, so that's why we use metric system. According to metric system, or with the help of metric system, we can easily convert one unit into another unit. Okay, so the basic metric system units are these. Now these are some important units, standard units. Tens power -1 is deci, denoted by small d. Tens power +1 is deca, da. Okay, tens power -2 is centi, small c. Tens power -3 is milli, small m. Tens power +3 is kilo, k, denoted by capital K. Tens power -6 micro, denoted by mu. Tens power 6 is mega, denoted by capital M. 10 raised to the power minus 9 nano small n, 10 raised to the power 9 giga capital G is the symbol. 10 power minus 12 is pico denoted by P, small p. Okay, so with the help of these units we can easily convert one form into another form. For example, we have to convert 10 millimeter into किलोमीटर. ओके, 10 मिलीमीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो टू कन्वर्ट दिस थिंग वी मस्ट रिक्वायर द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स. ओके, एंड द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट इज 10 millimeter. Millimeter is here. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 millimeter. This is the relation. Okay, this is the basically 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. And we have to convert it into kilometer na. So for kilometer we have the relation 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Oh sorry, 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter or 10 to the power 3 meter. So we have to convert this one into this. So for this 10 millimeter multiply by, हमें क्या चाहिए, किलोमीटर ना, मिलीमीटर कट होना चाहिए. तो दिस टर्म मस्ट बी इन द डिनोमिनेटर. 1 मिलीमीटर 1 मिलीमीटर, यहाँ पे लिखिए 10 पावर माइनस 3 मीटर. नेक्स्ट मीटर कट होना चाहिए, नीचे लिखिए 1000 मीटर, ऊपर लिखिए 1 किलोमीटर. 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. ओके, नाउ वी गेट द रिलेशन 10 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 add by 1 into 1000 kilometer. Okay, now we get, ये नीचे आ जाएगा आपका 10 power 3, 10 power 2 and we get 10 power minus 5 kilometer. That means 10 millimeter must be equal to 10 power minus 5 kilometer. Now next example is convert 100 nanometer into picometer. Okay, so 1 nanometer is 10 to the power minus 9 meter, and 1 picometer is 10 to the power minus 12 meter from the standard table. Okay, so 100 nanometer multiply by, nanometer must be in the denominator, 1 nanometer and 10 to the power minus 9 meter into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. मीटर मस्ट बी इन द डिनोमिनेटर क्योंकि हमें कट करना है, एंड 1 पिकोमीटर यहाँ आएगा आपका. नाउ वी गेट 100 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 10 to the power minus 12 picometer. Okay, after calculating all these 10 to the power 12 ऊपर पर 9, हाँ, we get 100 into 10 to the power 3, that means 10 raised to the power 5 picometer. So 100 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power 5 picometer. That's all about dimension analysis and SI units. Thank you so much.